What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And I'm going to be doing my Q&A for you guys. This will be uploaded on Sunday, as always. And I just did a rant video on Wrestlemania 27. So that'll be uploaded tomorrow. And yeah, I'm sorry about this light in your face, but who cares? I can't do anything about it. Who cares? I'll just turn on my PS4 and then turn off the light. Hold on. Alright, so my Q&A today. Yeah, that works. My first question is always from my friend Michael. What are your recent pickups? Dude, I just went to V-Stock, and these are pickups that are already on my YouTube channel, but I do them like every week. So here are my pickups for the week. The first one I got was Hell in a Cell 2020 from Walmart with no card, but that's okay because I like Bray Wyatt, but I don't really need his card. I will be getting the Royal Rumble soon, or maybe I'll just wait when WrestleMania comes out. I don't know. What came next? These three came next, and then this one. And then my first trip to V-Stock, as you saw, I got 3 pickups. So, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 7 pickups in a week. Dude. Us DVD collectors are insane. Because look at this. Okay. The 3 came from V-Stock. Well, the first one is WrestleMania 21. My favorite match on here is not Triple H. Shawn Michaels versus Kurt Angle, and I think that's just my favorite match. Yeah. And then it comes with insert, so we're good on that. And then I got ECW, One Night Stand. Doesn't come with insert, but who cares? And then it comes with Barely Legal. Yeah. Right there. There will be a review of this soon, because I'm going to Florida in the next 2 weeks on the 22nd. So this video will be uploaded then. And then I just did a rant video on this. Wrestlemania 27 on Blu-ray. I got this for $6. So, my Blu-ray... Well, here. I'll show you my Blu-ray collection, I guess. I have 1, 2, 3... maybe 6 Blu-rays in my collection already. So... But... I'll save that for another video, I guess. Well, I don't care, actually. My Blu-ray collection, I got Shawn Michaels, Mr. WrestleMania, Shawn versus Brett, son of a... Alright, they're around here somewhere. I'm not gonna... do all of this right now. But you get the point. I have 7 Blu-rays. Actually, about 8 now. So I got WrestleMania 27... on Blu-ray there, and then I just went back to oh, wait. I got this from eBay for $10. This is my favorite pay-per-view from 2008 because Jeff Hardy wins the WWE title. Strawberry wine, what's your family tradition? And then the last 2 pickups are from V-Stock. I got No Way Out, 2006. And it comes with insert, let's go! And then it comes with, oh yeah. This is the second time this has happened to me. Someone wrote their initials on the disc. Like, why? Why would you need to do that when you have your initials on the cover? Okay, so I have the insert, right? And then it comes with the 2006 and 2007 pay-per-view calendar. Can you see that? I don't know. Here, I'll turn on the light for this. Only this time. I got the 2006, 2007 pay-per-view calendar. Right there. Sadly, I cannot find Judgment Day 2005. That's another pay-per-view I need. I'll pick up these cards that fell. And then I got... Wait. Where'd it go? It's right there, dumbass. And I can't wait to watch this because I have WrestleMania 22. So, and people are telling me to watch this match right here. I've already seen it and it's great. So now I can watch it anytime because the WWE Network will be gone and moving to Peacock. Can somebody tell me why that's moving to Peacock? I know that they got $1 billion, but the network's been around for 6 years. And now Peacock is just stealing it. And then I got my other pickup right here. A Blu-ray for $6. Greatest superstars of the 21st century. Right there, folks. Add to my Blu-ray collection. And then, I got that. So, let's get on to the questions of this Q&A with WWE's biggest fan, 97. I'm sorry if I said that wrong, man. He has a question of, do you think Bobby Lashley will win the WWE title soon? He did. And I am so happy. Dude, The Miz won the title, and then 2 weeks later, he's fighting like a little child. Like, dude, Wrestling Duty Central and I were watching the Chamber together. Yeah, Wrestling Duty Central. You know what we do. Yes, sir. So we watched it. Then Lashley comes out of nowhere, like, are we getting Lashley versus McIntyre at Mania? And, like, okay, that's a good match, but no, we want... Okay, here's the reason why Lashley came back. To fight Brock Lesnar. And then, The Miz cashes in, and, dude, I wasn't a Miz fan when he won the WWE title. But I was a huge fan of his in 2014 through 2016. In 2016, he faced Dolph Ziggler in barn burner show stealer matches. Like, career on the line. Dude, every time there's a career on the line, you know the person whose career is on the line is going to win. Like Triple H versus Lesnar. You knew Triple H was going to win. So why would you need that match to be official? Yeah, I was a huge Miz fan. And also I've always been a Dolph Ziggler fan. In like 2011, not in 2011, I would say. Maybe in 2013 when he had the title, he finally won the world title. And then he got kicked in the face by Del Rio. That is the most brutal. Not brutal, but like, you have to shield your eyes to watch that match. Back to The Miz. So then The Miz cashes in at Elimination Chamber, and I popped for it. I seriously popped for it. Wrestling Duty Central and I went nuts. Like he even said, we are cheering for The Miz in 2021. Well, first of all, he should have not got given back the briefcase. Because the only reason why he got the briefcase and why he cashed in at the Chamber so he could go on to Mania to be the champion. Because, as I said in my rant video, the only reason why he is to main event Mania. But, dude, he won the title, and then 2 weeks later, well, last week on Raw, he's being like a chicken. Like, dude, you're not a fighting champion. You lost in about 2 minutes. At least be a fighting champion. No, but I think we are really getting Brock Lesnar versus Bobby Lashley at WrestleMania. The reason why Lashley came back 3 years ago. Well, now, yeah, 3 years ago. 2018, 2019. Yeah, 3 years ago at WrestleMania 34. He was supposed to fight Lesnar at SummerSlam instead of Roman Reigns. Brock Lesnar was supposed to face Lashley for the title, I believe. And not Finn Balor. So, yeah, we were popping for The Miz. And then he says, what do you think about The Miz cashing in? Yeah, we popped for it. I've never been that excited for a Miz match in 5 years. I've never been. Dude, when he won the IC title, I was over the moon. What did you think of the Big Dude, he was in that company for WWE when he had long hair. That was 22 years ago. Dude, okay. The Big Show has gotten stale as hell. 2011, when he won the world title. Won the world title, lost it in 45 seconds, and then won it back from Sheamus in 2012. That's not stale. That's good. When he came back in 2013, working for the Authority, that's when you get stale. He seriously got a WWE title match for knocking out Dusty Rhodes. Rest in peace, baby. But yeah, how do you get a title shot? Dude, I could get a title shot for knocking out somebody. Give me Randy Orton at Survivor Series 2013, please. Dude, come on. Patrick, you just hit a rant. This is great. Yeah, but that shocked us all. I could get a title shot for knocking out somebody. And then he came back in October. No, wait, that's November. Damn it. Yeah, October he came back. He stayed through... He actually stayed for a whole year. Dude, I want to know how many times he's turned heel and face. He has gotten that stale to turn face and heel, face and heel, face and heel, face and heel. Give me a break. Just pick one. Yeah, but 22 years. That was a shock. Yeah. I have nothing more to say about that, but again, he knocked out Orton in 2020. And then you hear this news, and now he has a new shirt that says "No More BS." What was BS? They got booked on a show? Yeah, but big shock. Well, he said on AEW that someone will be joining AEW this Sunday. And that moves into our other question from DVD Central. What do you think the new signing to AEW will be? Is there anyone... Okay. I really think if he wants to get in a WWE ring again, or just a ring, because it was in his hometown, I believe CM Punk is coming. But he said a legend. Although CM Punk is a legend in my book. I mean, you have Sting in there. Who are you gonna bring? DDP again? New signing. I don't know. RVD. I heard he was writing a book for WWE, so I doubt it. Jericho, I can't get... I seriously could get over Jericho when he was champion for AEW, but what is he doing now? Dude, he got fat. He got super fat. I believe, who should go... I seriously don't even know who's going to be the new signing. But if I had to pick one just to go to AEW, I believe... Although I heard that he's ending his career in WWE, but it would be awesome to see AJ Styles in AEW with the club. No, he's not No. No way. So, I heard that the legend... I'm not speculating this, but Sting wants a match. Like a, not in a crowd match. I forgot what they were called. God damn. I think he stayed retired for a while, but if I had to choose The Undertaker, I don't know, but he said a legend is coming to AEW this Sunday or this Saturday. Wait a minute, damn it. AEW Revolution 2021. Oh yeah, tickets are on sale now. Yeah, March 7th, so this Sunday. Dude, will they ever come out with new AEW DVDs? Like, for real, dude? Dude. What the hell is a exploding barbed wire match? What is that? Dude, someone is going to die this Sunday. Will it be Kenny Omega or Jon Moxley? Dude, well, I believe Sting will die. But I don't know. I don't know. This is going to be a... Sunday is going to be a scary night. And guess what? I can't wait. Yeah, there's still 5 releases. Double or Nothing, Full Gear, Revolution, All Out, and the pay-per-view I really want to get is Double or Nothing 2020. Brody Lee's only one match for the AEW title. And the other reason why I want to get that pay-per-view is for the Stadium Stampede match. I don't think I'm going to get All Out at all, but hey, you'll never know. Yeah, but I got 26 minutes on this video. I got 3, 4, 5 matches. 5 questions. And yes, one more question someone asked me as I'm reading this. I am so happy The Miz is champion again, but I believe Brock Lesnar is coming to Raw. Or as me and Wrestling TV Central joke all the time about Roman Reigns versus Brock Lesnar for the championship with Paul Heyman in a shark cage. And whoever let's see, whoever wins gets the management of Paul Heyman and they get the Universal title. Dude, can someone please tell me why the titles look like fruit roll-ups? And can anyone tell me why the internet thinks that the gold... Hold on. Hold on. Ugh. The people on the internet think this title is coming back. Dude. The main titles? Where is my Universal title? Well, it's not this color any... Wrong title. God damn it. The main championships, but it's not this color. It's this. Why would they go back to this when they made this? This is never coming back. But they also said Edge. Also, Edge said when they were doing the Rumble, they said, I am coming to WrestleMania to reclaim what I never lost. So will this come back? I don't know. I hope so. So we can get rid of this dumbass looking belt, fruit roll up looking, sandwich eating, dumbass belt. But whatever. Why change a belt when it's looking good? But guys, thank you for joining me on this, I guess, Q&A/rant video. And I'll see you guys. Am I leaving next week? No, I'm not leaving till in the 20s, so I'll be here for my next test. So yeah, I'll be here for the next 2 weeks. Videos will be still coming out, but I am going to Florida, like I said. So, But the Q&As will be still coming, even though I am in a different place. But the reviews on the DVDs will be here. So, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.